Now for the continuation for the family of curves, number 7. Okay, for number 7, we have x plus y is equal to a, or x over a plus y over a is equal to 1. This one is one parameter. Family of lines with equal intercepts. Okay. Given figure, you have your y-axis and x-axis. Okay. This one is a is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 2. Then we have a is equal to 3. Now for number 8, we have y is equal to ax plus a. This one is under the 1 parameter. Family of lines with slope and y-intercept equal. Okay, for the figure, we have the 1 have n equal to 2. Then we have n equal to 3. Next, number 9. For number 9, we have x minus h squared equal to 4ay. Okay, but we have a condition here that a should be greater than 0. Okay, we have two parameters. Family of parabolas with vertex and focus on the x-axis, opening to the right. we have your y-axis, then we have the x-axis opening to the right. Therefore, we have x. Okay, number 10, we have y minus h over x minus k equal to m. This one is under two parameters. Family of lines, through h and k are not parameter, but fixed constant. Or for the figure, you have y-axis, x-axis, then for the families of lines, the center here is h and k. Now, for number 11, we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to k squared. This one is under the two parameters. Family of circles, with centers at h and k and tangent to the x-axis, where k is the radius. Okay, therefore, we have, again, y-axis, x-axis. Okay. For number 12, we have x squared minus y squared equal to c, where c should be less, where c okay, where c should be greater than 0. Okay, then this one, family of hyperbolas, family of hyperbolas with center at the origin and with vertices at positive, negative, 1, 0. Okay, therefore we have y-axis, x-axis. Okay, center at the origin. Okay, next, number 13. We have x squared minus y squared equal to c, where c is any any arbitrary constant. Family of hyperbolas. With center on the origin and vertex at V0, positive, negative, 1, or vertex at positive, negative, 1, 0. Okay, therefore, given figure, we have your y and x axis. Okay, therefore, okay, this one is the figure for number 13. Okay, next, for number 14, x minus k squared plus y minus k squared equal to 1. This one is the family of circles. Circles of radius 1 and center on the line y equal to x. Now for the figure, we have your y and x axis. Y, x axis. Okay. When you say the radius is 1, all the family of the circle has the same diameter. Okay. 1. The same size, all the circles have the same size.